Enjoy rich, hot, and flavorful coffee with the Presto stainless steel coffee maker. It brews great-tasting coffee as fast as a cup a minute, then keeps it piping hot automatically. Simply add the desired amount of water to the coffee maker, add your favorite ground coffee, put the cover in place and plug in. The coffee brews in minutes, about 1 minute per cup, and the signal light indicates when it's ready to serve. The easy pour spout and traditional design provide elegant coffee service anytime, and the luxurious stainless steel construction assures easy cleaning and lasting beauty. The Presto stainless steel coffee maker. Available in 6 and 12 cup models.